today I'm back with another makeup look, with this really colorful look that I have on right now. Mainly today the eyeshadow palette I'm using is the Zodiac palette from Colourpop. So if you're interested in this look and want to know how I use the Zodiac palette, continue watching. So let's get started. I'm gonna split my hand in two and tie them up into a bun so that when I let down later it'll be a very nice volumed curl. Okay. Like I did in the previous video. It's just very simple bun. I'm just twirling the bun. That my hair tie. And these two rounds good and tight. Okay. So my skin is really nice and prepped and lip balm already. And the first thing I'm gonna do is foundation, obviously. My foundation, as usual, it's NYX Cosmetic Total Control Drop. With a flat foundation brush, I'm taking like a sponge and dabbing it. So for my skin, more or less, I already know the products that it works for my skin. Now I just need time for my skin to react well to it and to heal from all the past scars, acne, texture issues. I also hope that I can do a skincare video this year. So once my skin is like good enough, I will allow myself to do a skincare video, which is like a reward for having good skin. After that, with concealer, my concealer will be with NYX Cosmetic HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. My eye bag and a bit of my cheek. Now for the highlighting concealer, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Then I'll put it on my forehead, down my bridge, and my chin. After I'm done with the concealer, now moving on to powdering my face. So same as from the previous video, I still have been like baking my nose with Etude House Fix and Fixer powder. So next, I'll be using this powder. This is Skin Food Multi Finish Peach Cotton Powder. Under my eyes, on my cheek where I put concealer. So I'm done with powdering my face. Moving on to eyebrows. So recently, I got a few new eyebrow products that changed my routine a lot. Brow Lash X. I got this eyebrow pencil plus ink. Yeah, the pencil side doesn't come with a cap at all. I have no idea why, but it's just like that. I will start with the front part of my brow. Do your best to just go as light-handed as you can. So now with the pencil part, I will just fill in but not too harsh, so I just brush through to kind of like make the color darker, especially at the end. With the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel, I got two colors, one clear and one in light brown, but this one I'm holding right now is a clear one. So this is the Zodiac palette. Honestly, the packaging is stunning. Take a blending brush, do it around my crease area, of course. Focusing just on my eyelids. Adding a bit of Virgo and bring it up a bit, but not too much. I'm gonna take Aries, focusing the back and only the eyelids. So with an angled brush like this, I'm using Capricorn, which is a black with golden, bronze, green glitter pigments. I'm gonna put it at the lash line. That eyeliner part done. I'm doing the lower lash line now. So I'm taking Aquarius. I'm taking a brush like this and putting at the ends. Now with a smaller brush, I'm taking Gemini, putting it at the bottom lash line but at the center of it. Taking the same brush, I am going to use the Pisces. So right now I'm gonna brush off the powder, which I think most of them have just like disappeared. Because I have my fan right next to me and it keeps blowing on my face. While waiting for my eyeliner to dry, I'm going to do my blusher first, so that when I curl my lashes, I won't smudge everything. So with that done, I am going to do my highlight now. This is Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby Highlight. So with my highlighting brush, I do it on my cheekbone. With the nose bridge done, I'm gonna curl my lashes now to do my mascara later. My mascara will be from Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. This is a Tarte lip paint. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up at the bottom. My Instagram is gyremily, so if you're interested in catching up with me on social media, that's the only other social media I use.